25, I think.
Last day in Chiang Mai.
Last day.
I'm so sad. It's been such a great place.
It really has.
But we're off to Bangkok at 4 p.m. today.
Yep.
And I guess we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Heading to a market now to grab some food.
Yeah. Last bit of Chiang Mai food. What are you craving? You can crave one thing in Chiang Mai.
Khao soi is pretty up there. Khao soi is definitely up there. I want to try some tom yum soup. We only had it once, and it was yesterday when Tashh made it. It was really good.
I want some papaya salad if I really.
Ooh,
definitely.
good idea.
That and yeah, solid food.
Cool. They only sell soup here. They only sell soup.
The best places.
Really fresh. Really nice.
Yeah?
Flavors aren't too prominent, but it's good.
This is the Thai coffee we've been looking for.
Yeah.
Condensed milk. And they have the cans of milk with it.
Holy fuck.
It's the good stuff.
That's the good
it's
stuff.
the good stuff.
That's
It
the
tastes
good-
like a frappuccino.
For 25 baht. For $1.
God. Just so much stuff. Can you believe it?
Wow. We bought tamarind.
Okay, darling. So, how many steps did we walk in Chiang Mai?
So in the last 4 days, we walked 88,000 steps.
7 kilometers.
Oh,
A bunch.
a bunch. I can check it, but a bunch.
Damn.
15.
We fit.
We fit as heck. It's
Calves. All calves.
like all calves. It's like 65 kilometers in 5 days.
Damn. Okay, what's your rose and thorn of the trip?
The rose and, oh, the sour spicy. What? It's a better name. Rose and thorn. Rose probably the monks by themselves doing the release, and the thorn. I don't know. Like all in all, it was a really good trip. So I don't really have a thorn. What are you?
Yeah, definitely my rose. Someone found the monks randomly, and seeing that was so magical.
It was.
So nice. The worst thing about this trip was probably just the heat. Going to the temple and just dying of heat.
Yeah.
It's really, but you know, what are you gonna do?
Yeah, I'd say that was mine too. But going up again with the motorcycle was much better
Yeah.
because it was a better experience. We weren't sweating.
Exactly. So I'm glad we did it twice.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, so that wraps up, not even wraps up day 5. We're probably still gonna do something else. The noodles on the top of the mountain were solid, like legitimately good. That was good. The khao soi at that restaurant was really good. Yeah. Or the papaya salad. For you.
Yeah, I think definitely the cooking class.
Yeah.
I think it was, I don't know, it tasted so good. I guess because that's like the freshest you can get it. Because we literally went to the market that morning.
Yeah.
Whereas like everyone here, like, yeah, it's fresh, but like they went to the market earlier in the morning.
Yeah.
So it's, yeah, that was really, really good. But my favorite there was the curry that I had with the pumpkin.
So I'm on a little solo mission right now. Tashh is sitting in the airport editing. I saw a McDonald's and a Burger King, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna get something. I don't know, think maybe Burger King, maybe McDonald's. We got a praying Ronald over there. Probably get McDonald's. Ooh, make fried chicken. Let's see what we got here. Burger, chicken. Pork. Interesting. We're doing that. Extra large. Just the burger. And I'm also gonna get a patango chicken and nuggets. Fries. Oh. What else we got? extra French. Hold on. What do we got here? We got large French fries or extra French. Like, do you want regular French or extra French large fries? Just regular today. Promotion, what does this mean? Oh god. No, I don't want either of those. I'll probably get one later though. What's some chicken? Nothing fun. Okay, we're gonna get samurai burger and large fries. Solo mission was a success. We got the McDonald's in the bag. Let's go. We're gonna go find Tashh. I think she just texted me because I think she might be hungry. And she might want a samurai pork burger from McDonald's. Let's go. Hello.
Hey.
So right now I got that samurai pork burger. Ooh, McDonald's. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a swirl. It's good with the juices. Got a little bit of lettuce. The burger's really thin. And some sauce. First bite. It has more flavor than most McDonald's things, honestly. It's good. Like, it's really good. Kind of thin though. Won't fill you. Samurai pork burger.
Bangkok. We're going to the night market.
We're going on the train market.
It was a long journey to get here. We couldn't find our Airbnb at first.
Oh my god.
But we got there. Now we're going to the market. Because we're hungry.
I'm so hungry.
This is 40 baht for an entire box. I'm so excited. Creamy. It's really rich. Crunchy. It's good. It's more of a dessert though.
Yeah?
Yeah, it kind of tastes like marshmallow.
Weird. It's way busier than Chiang Mai. It looks good. A lot of food. Kind of a little bit more expensive. A lot of bigger portions, but everything you can probably find for the same price. I got pad thai up there, 50 baht. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a famous YouTuber apparently in front of us, some Asian girl. I don't know. I'm waiting for my pad thai. He's going to ham at it. There's 4 plates over there. I guess he makes them in bulk. I don't know. We'll see how the night goes.
How does it taste?
It's meh.
Yeah?
It's okay. Nothing too special, to be honest. Go.